personal niya mga opinion. Kaya may friend, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga friends niya na nagpo-comfort sa kanya. Ang wish na kay Bea, maging successful sa kanyang career, tsaka maging strong. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Oo naman.
Hindi ko alam. Nilain pala kayong youthful
Magaganda.
looking.
Oo nga. Mata ni tita. Mata pa siya.
Buti pa sa mukhang matanda. Ikaw.
Wala.
Next from our list. Sige na. Moving on. Next from our list is Jonah Justiniano.
Now we have an information number from Reynard Reyes. Si Reynard, siya yung boyfriend ni Diana.
Kakantay ko nga pala ay Heaven Knows, pero konti na yun lang. Kasi hindi ko kabisado eh, ha?
Hindi, kasi humble ka pa.
Ay. She's always on my mind. The time I wake up till I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. Though she's so far away, and if you really just keeps getting stronger
Sige, kahit
every day. Even now she's gone, I'm still holding on. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe our hearts will find a way. Only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray. And you know.
message mo dyan.
Start off, let me call on Christian Acosta.